In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your Huawei router using power bank. First, check the power requirements for your router, which you can usually find on a label located on the back or bottom of the device. Next, ensure that your power bank matches the correct voltage and amperage requirements. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that is compatible with your setup. Insert the DC end into the power port on your router. Plug the USB end into the power bank. Power on the power bank, and you'll notice the indicator lights on your router illuminate, showing that it's now powered up. If the router isn't functioning properly, it could be due to the power bank not supplying enough power. In this case, you'll want to turn off the 5G network. Be sure to watch my other video linked in the description for step-by-step instructions on how to do this. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.